Let's see how we can include multiple values in our where condition, or how we can exclude those values from our final output. To include multiple values, we'll simply do, let's say we are using the first name column, and we will be using the set of first names into our in operator. So simply type where clause and the first name, and put in operator, and inside that operator type the names that you want. So let's say I want Nate in our output, then I want Mark, and I want cat. So I want the rows related to these three first names in my output. So let's simply run this particular code, and you will see that I am getting these three rows only. And in the same way, if you want to exclude a set of values from your output, or set of rows related to a particular column from your output, you can simply do the not an operator, and these values will be excluded from your output. Simply run this code, and you can see that Nate, Mark and cat from the first name has been excluded from our output. Now let's see how we can use the between operator. So in our where clause, instead of a single or set of values, we'll give a range of values. So in this case, let's say I want to show all the IDs that are ranging from ID number 5 till ID number 10. So I'll simply do where ID between 5 and 10 to semicolon, and run this code, and you'll get the IDs from 5 till 10. Now let's see how we can use the is null or not in null to check the null values, or to handle the null values in the SQL. To do that, let me first run our customer table to see if we have any null values in our table or not. So as you can see in the row 10th, for Liam, we don't have any phone number. Instead of that, like, we are having null values in it. So let's say if we have 1,000 values, so in that case, how we can get the rows which have null values in it? So for that, we'll simply do where clause, and the column name. In this case, our column is phone number. So phone number, and we can simply put if it is null. So is null, and run this code. Remove this semicolon from it. Run this code, and you'll get the row 10. So this is showing all the rows which have phone number as null. And if you want all the rows which does not have the null values in it, so you can simply do like, instead of is null, you can type is not null, and run this code again. You'll get the rows from 1 to 9. Row 10 has been excluded because that has the null values in it. So I hope these operators are clear to you. See you in the next one.